Hi everyone, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. Well, today is the day that we have all been waiting for. I'm going to be sharing with you the final reveal for the event that we have been planning for the past few weeks. So for those of you guys who are just tuning in and seeing this for the first time, I've been doing a 4-part series, and in the first video I shared what the space looked like completely empty. We did a haul on where I purchased all the things that you will see in this video. We assembled a glam centerpiece and we did a sample mock-up for the client. So before we get any further into the video, I just want to kind of remind you guys of what the space looked like completely empty. This was a huge building, you guys. I know it was like way over 5,000 square feet. They had 150 guests, so the scale and the size of the building was like way a lot. Like it was way too much for the guest count. So what we decided to do was to break off the room into 2 different portions. The wedding was held on the right hand side and the reception was held on the left hand side. So for the wedding, we decided to keep it very simple, because the wedding, you know, you only spend about 20 to 30 minutes in that space, and we just did like very simple chair ties on the ends. And then for the bottom of the fireplace, we had a huge letter E, which was about maybe 3 feet tall. And I painted it and glittered it myself. So if you guys would like to see a DIY on that, I will definitely be willing to do that. So just leave me a comment down below. And then the absolutely gorgeous floral arrangement that you see here was done by my girl Terry. She did such an amazing job. The flowers were so absolutely stunning. Like, it nailed the colors. We decided to just keep it very simple, very classy, but just very tasteful. So I just love that. So for the Unity ceremony table, it served a dual purpose. Of course, the sand ceremony was in the front, and then behind that was just photos of the loved ones that they wanted to be there with them in spirit. And so I thought that was a great way to commemorate them and to honor their legacy. And I just thought that was, you know, great. And they put them in matching picture frames. On the reception side, the fireplace was absolutely astounding. The video really does not do it any justice. We had so many candles, so many flowers. Again, Terry did an awesome job arranging the flowers. Sharonda, and Theo worked on the flowers, and me and the other team worked on the setup and things like that. The mantle was absolutely amazing. And you guys, I don't think this video doesn't really show the scale. It was probably 14 feet high. Like, seriously, we got up on a 12-foot ladder to get this up and down. So it was really super high. And then for the sweetheart table, of course, I used my silver chairs and this beautiful arrangement in the center. I just thought it was so stunning. And again, I apologize for the harshness of the video because the sun was so super bright. But you guys see how that cream meshes so well with the purples and the turquoises and the hydrangeas and orchids. It just really goes together so well, and it turned out absolutely stunning. I love candles. I don't think you can ever have too many candles at an event, and that was her throwaway bouquet. And we also used bling napkins and bling napkin rings on the sweetheart table as well. For the guest tables, the bride wanted very low centerpieces. She wanted it to be very intimate and, you know, simple. And I just felt like these centerpieces were perfect. And I love the way that they meshed with the rosette tablecloth. And I think it brings such an understated elegance. for the cake, oh my goodness, this could not be a more perfect combination of the orchids and the white roses. It was absolutely stunning. And if you guys notice that the cake platter also matches the chargers that were used on the head table for the bridal party. Turned out absolutely amazing. Also, you guys see this glam chandelier. I mean, how awesome is that? And the new bling chargers, I got those from eFavorMart as well. So I will be sure to leave that link down below for those of you guys who are interested in this. These are the same rosette tablecloths that I showed you guys in the haul and also in the mock-up that I did. And look at how amazing these chargers look. Like, you don't need to add anything else. I love the metal in the center that gives you that mirror look, but in essence it's metal, so you don't have to worry about it being breakable. And speaking of breakable, the candelabras held up very well at the reception. There were tons of kids there running around. They were very sturdy, and it just turned out so absolutely amazing. Now you will see some of the candles like kind of drooping to the side. That's only because it was 100-degree weather in Alabama. So they were very, very, very hot, and they started to sweat and wilt. So that's why you kind of see the candles not standing straight up and the candelabra. The centerpieces were very low and lush, and I absolutely love the way they complemented those beautiful and elegant candelabras.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. The things you're saying, it blows my mind. The way you're thinking, it's hard to keep up. You got that beauty and all the brain, yeah, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. If I might say, you light up my day so bright. You show me your way, and I'm no match for you. No, I'm no match for you. Ooh, I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang around.
So overall, the space was very simplistic and very elegant with the pops of flowers in all the right places. And this is one of the ways you can get that luxe look for less than what it would typically cost. The owner of the venue kept coming out, and one of the things he would say to me is, "I only have one word for this." And my question to him was, "What's that one word?" And he said, "Elegant." So I absolutely love the fact that this man thought this was one of the most elegant weddings that he'd ever seen at this venue. And that made my team and I feel very proud of the work that we had done and the work that we had put into it. Now, I know you guys probably saw the sandbags in the back, and I promise you, I have some wedding story times coming to you guys. It's just kind of things that I've learned along the way as an event planner, and things that have happened, like different disasters that have happened on wedding day or baby shower day or event day. I know it's been a while since I've shared some of those, so I'm going to sit down and kind of put together a video. So I want you guys to comment down below any questions that you may have that you would like for me to include in this story time type video. So again, everything turned out absolutely amazing. I would love to know what aspect of this wedding you love by just leaving a comment down below. And of course, we did have a photo backdrop for the guests to take photos. You know, a lot of guests can really entertain themselves with a photo booth. I think, with Instagram and Snapchat and Facebook and all of the other social media tools, when you have a lot of like photo op areas available in the reception, like, it will really keep your guests entertained. So that was really great. He also had an Alabama cake. Oh my gosh, it was so cute. He's a huge Alabama fan. And again, thank you so much, Very Carey, for these amazing cake platters. These are perfect for weddings. She got me a gold set and the circular, and then the silver set in the square, and I could not love these more. They could not have been a more perfect gift. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I love the fact that they again match with the charges. They also match with the bride and groom knife and champagne flute set, so that was a great asset as well. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed me sharing with you this entire process of decorating and how everything looked. It turned out absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. I hope you have learned a lot from the few lessons that I've been sharing over the past few weeks leading up to this event. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!
Let's get it on to your favorite song. The night is young and you got me going on every single beat. It's my heart so deep, wanna wrap my arms around you, cause you sweep me off my feet. Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you got me. I love the things you do. Maybe I'm getting into trouble, but I just wanna be your lover. Cause you're making me feel. I love when it feels right. It is just one of these nights. Love so strong, can't be wrong, all because of you. I love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye. Love so strong, can't be wrong, all because of you. Cause I love it. Love when it feels right. Ooh, I love when it feels right. Ooh, dancing really close. This is how it goes. Opposites attract. Guessing everybody knows. Fire on the floor, sneaking out the door. We're just getting started, lady. Now I really want some more. Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you got me. I love the things you do. Maybe I'm getting into trouble, but I just wanna be your lover. Cause you're making me feel. I love